How's it going, guys? Today I'll be replacing my AC air actuator on my 2008 Ford Mustang. This is making a clicking sound in the dash. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring down your glove box and you're gonna press each side, this side and this side with both hands, and you drop down. Okay, so after dropping down the glove box, you're gonna see there's one actuator right in the bottom there, and there's gonna be another one all the way on top. Okay, so after taking out the old one, I'm gonna put in the new one. Okay guys, so I'm here at AutoZone. Apparently the blend door actuator is clicking as well. I already took it out. I'll go ahead and put in the new one and see if it's gonna stop clicking. This is the old one. Okay, got a new actuator. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, the actuator is in. Don't forget to push back the red clip when you plug it in. That's it. Let's see if it stopped clicking. Hey guys, got my AC on. Turn it up all the way. Nothing. That's it. Okay guys, that's be all for today. Hope you guys like the video. Hit like and subscribe. See you later.